In a world that moves at internet speed, companies come and go in the blink of an eye. The notion of one lasting more than 100 years is almost too much for most people to grasp, unless they've met Stewart and Stevenson. Founded in 1902, we're honored to be among the ranks of global companies who are working at full speed on their second 100 years. Stewart & Stevenson is a name trusted worldwide in a wide range of industries at the heart of the global economy. For us, a century of innovation is all in a day's work. Founded and headquartered in Houston, Texas, Stewart & Stevenson has played an integral role in the growth of the modern oil and gas industry. We've been at the forefront of every advance in drilling and production. We design, engineer, and manufacture equipment from the ground up to an extent that we have not done before. Stewart & Stevenson engineers introduced our first fracturing units for well stimulation in 1953. The company has introduced a long list of industry firsts and holds many patents. Today, Stewart & Stevenson ranks as the world's largest manufacturer of well stimulation equipment and has the largest share of the U.S. market. Our complete line of onshore and offshore products includes fracturing pumps and blenders, control and data acquisition centers, hydration and chemical additive units, acidizing units and nitrogen, carbon dioxide and support equipment, as well as cementing units. For more than 2 decades, our coil tubing units and injector heads have been leading the charge to increase well productivity. Our line of nitrogen pumping and vaporizing units, fluid pumping units, and support hardware enable the release of greater amounts of hydrocarbons from oil and gas formations. Since World War II, the name Stewart & Stevenson has been associated with rugged and reliable power generation equipment for drilling rig, prime, and emergency standby configurations. Onshore and off, the energy industry runs on Stewart & Stevenson. Every product we make shares the same critical objectives: increasing well productivity, lowering costs of production, ensuring safety, and improving profitability. It's not just innovation, it's a commitment. Across the United States and around the globe, Stewart & Stevenson customized rigs are on the job, bringing petroleum products to the world's energy markets. The rig division manufactures drilling, workover, and well servicing rigs that meet the highest industry standards and stand up to the relentless demands of extreme climates around the globe. Our locations are equipped to design, engineer, manufacture, test, and service equipment after sale. Stewart & Stevenson's innovative rig designs have been at the forefront of making the recovery process safer, more efficient, and more economical. Advances such as internally guide masts and rugged skidding systems combine with leading-edge technologies and drawworks and controls to improve operation and maximize reliability. At Stewart & Stevenson, innovation is not only about what we do and how we do it. Innovation also extends to the companies with whom we work. Through long-term relationships with OEM partners, MTU On-Site Energy, Electromotive, Allison, Heister, Deutz, and Detroit Diesel, we deliver high-performance horsepower and serious business value to customers. Stewart & Stevenson is the #1 distributor and service provider for MTU diesel engines. We use MTU's low-emission, state-of-the-art engines in generator packages engineered for land-based drilling and in other applications to meet the diverse demands of offshore, marine, mining, agriculture, industrial, and construction markets. When electric power has to be available 24/7, MTU on-site energy generators form the core of customized installations for prime and emergency standby power. Stewart & Stevenson systems keep the power on for data centers, hospitals, universities, high-rise buildings, chemical plants, and other critical industrial applications. For operations that are seriously off the grid, Stewart & Stevenson builds power generation systems based on the world's only 2-cycle, medium-speed diesel engine certified for Tier 2 emissions. Manufactured by Electromotive, this engine is a proven workhorse in the generator packages we design for dynamically positioned, self-propelled, semi-submersibles and drill ships. For smaller industrial applications, Stewart & Stevenson partners with Deutz. The company's air-cooled and oil-cooled engines complement traditional water-cooled units to provide maximum flexibility and ease of use in any operation. When it's time to put engines in gear, Stewart & Stevenson turns to business partner Allison Transmission. As one of Allison's largest distributors, we supply heavy-duty automatic and power-shifted transmissions for multiple on- and off highway applications. When the job calls for heavy lifting, the name Hyster says it all. Stewart & Stevenson offers more than 130 Hyster forklift models for all markets and maintains a large rental fleet. When the job calls for towing power, Stewart & Stevenson's patented Rail King line of railcar movers offers multiple configurations along with on-site service and support. The portfolio of Stewart & Stevenson's business partnerships extends the range, reach, and depth of products, services, and support we can deliver to customers around the world. And with each partnership comes new avenues for innovation. From the beginning, aftermarket parts and service has been a core part of our business. Today, our supply chain group tracks and supplies more than 200,000 parts for the equipment we manufacture and distribute. Our locations have 70,000 items in stock and a staff of knowledgeable experts to get exactly the right parts to local customers daily. As a participant in the All Makes Parts Initiative, our truck shops, including our on-the-border Freightliner facility, are stocked to provide a one-stop service center for all major brands of Class 8 trucks and other highway equipment. Along with comprehensive parts inventories, Stewart & Stevenson's worldwide locations provide service on every piece of manufactured or distributed equipment that we sell. Trained service technicians have one mission: helping customers minimize downtime and maximize the service life of their equipment. Many customers trust us for expert service on competitors' brands too. Building on more than 100 years in the engine business, Stewart & Stevenson has expanded its gas compression service and support to include all major brands of reciprocating and rotary screw compressors. For equipment that can't come to the shop, our technicians travel wherever electrical and mechanical field service is needed worldwide. For every market where our products are on the job, you'll find Stewart & Stevenson providing parts, service, support, and solutions. Power equipment for rental is an integral part of the Stewart & Stevenson service commitment. When you need it, where you need it, is more than just a motto. It's our promise to deliver top-of-the-line generators, air compressors, forklifts, and railcar movers for rental. Building technical knowledge, skills, and capabilities is central to Stewart & Stevenson's mission and its century of innovation. We offer training services in the United States and abroad, and also provide training at customers' facilities or in the field, circling the globe to support clients worldwide. On the journey that took us from horseshoes to horsepower and beyond, almost everything has changed. Our products, our markets, and of course, the technologies we use. But after more than 100 years, one thing remains unchanged: our commitment to customers, partners, and performance worldwide. We invite you to be a part of the next century of innovation at Stewart & Stevenson.